So on Saturday 22nd of September, I went to the European Woodworking show and saw a lot of cool stuff. One of the most cool things was this grinder attachment, and it's sort of like a chainsaw where you can grind away wood with an angle grinder. So I might try that, but the tools are quite expensive. So yeah, there's a demonstration here of a man using it, and it does actually look quite safe. It doesn't look as dangerous as I thought it would be. So I want to look at that. And this is a big lathe that was there. It was powered, well, it's powered by manpower. There's a big wheel to the left here, and you have to crank that with the handle on the other side to turn a couple of pulleys. That turns a faceplate, and you attach it to the faceplate, and yeah, it's quite cool. I wanted to see it in action, but it looked a bit dormant. You can see the faceplate there, acts as a pulley as well. And there's just put a log on there to demonstrate, and a very crude centre. So moving over, there's another lathe, which you can either power by that big wheel there, or you can power it by pedal power or by your foot, by treadling it. There's a faceplate thing there you can use with that, because that's a pulley and that's attached, you'll see in a minute, to this on the floor, and you can use that and the wheel as a flywheel to move it around, and then there'll be a rope to attach the wheel to the chuck. There's the tool rest there, and this is a centre which is quite good. It's adjustable with bolt at the back, and this is quite cool. I didn't really work out how it worked. It says it's a mortising chisel, but I'm not really sure about that. It looks a bit weird. I mean, there's a big lever to plunge it down, but there's other wheels and stuff to turn stuff, so I'm not really sure what that's for. But it looks cool anyway. I wanted to have a go on it, but didn't allow. And there's a massive blacksmith vice that I found quite interesting, just because it was so big. I don't know what you would put in there. Maybe a sword, I don't know. And the local chickens plucking away all day. And this was interesting. This was
this is still
the chainsaw carving, and this is brilliant. You have to have a lot of skill to do this.
What? An apple.
I like that. Oh, that's
cool.
Great. Should we have a look figure out? I'd love to have that.
Yeah, that would be awesome. There's another smaller one over there.
Yeah.
Hey, that one. We'll put that in our house.
I like the big one. Which are they?
Just a quick run through.
Do you really want to look?
These are good.
Got a ladybird there, and a snail, slugs, and other weird creatures.
Well, that's 65.
But I think he used the chainsaw for the bulk of the material, and then switched to one of those grinding wheels to carve wood, to do the finer stuff, and then use the grinder, the angle grinder, with a sanding wheel on it, which is quite interesting. I saw that there as well. These look quite easy to make. I might have a go at this. Look like a wizard thing. Yeah, that's brilliant. Must be able to do this.
Outside.
Use expensive. And this was a carving competition. Not this part, but it was in the same room as it. And the amount of detail you can get by carving is amazing. It must have taken a couple of weeks, or probably more than that, to do this. And look at that on the left, the detail in that is amazing. This was the carving competition. I'll show you what one I voted for in a minute. The top prize was £750, the second prize was £250. And they were all voted for by the public who came in. But some of these are just amazing. I mean, I like the turtle, but that's not the one I voted for. Got the meerkat. I don't really know how to start out doing this. That's the one I voted for, guinea pig. I thought that was the best one. And these were just a bit creepy. They're puppets, and well, the price was a bit creepy as well. They were very good though, very detailed, and I didn't do a close-up, but you could see there was so much detail into it. And this is a very scary table. And into a tent with some wood turners that were showing off some of their skills. And
Made an apple, antique. Made a video about it.
There's showcases, isn't there? Back to showcases.
Oh yeah.
some horse heads that were doing some carving. And some cats. They weren't so intricate, that's really good. Oh, and another man demonstrating the grinding tool from arbortech. I'm definitely going to look into that. It does look quite interesting, but it also looks quite expensive as well.
And the other thing too that I used to find with the earlier blades, they rapidly remove wood, but because they rapidly remove wood on the perimeter,
You don't really need the
it's very
huge
difficult
power,
to get
do
a
you?
perfect curve.
Those
So
ones
you
we
would lock
got
your
got
arms in and
enormous
do
power.
different
They're
things
too
to
big,
get
aren't
your
they?
shaping.
Yeah,
But
probably.
it'll never be perfect. With this one, you can really ride on the wood and do sweeping shapes. Like you can do flats, but you can do beautiful sweeping
Remember that
internal
name,
or
arbortech,
external curves
yeah?
as well, which I couldn't do
They
before.
obviously do. Oh, there you go. It's a seat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very, very good. Hey? It's
The bowl. Massive lathe. Why won't that fit in my shed? Some cool carvings here. There's a lot of carving going on here. In the show, as well as wood turning and other stuff.
So we're doing it
Yeah, I
now.
was really interested in this.
It was 29, yeah.
Plywood horse heads.
I'll try and make one. I'll try and make one of them.
Yeah.
Logo.
Very cheap,
But yeah, horse head.
and they don't look very hard.
Just saw one of the posters is outside.
So that might be a future project.
Starting, isn't it?
Something similar to that.
Starting.
Yes, probably.
Using
I know the machine.
that tool.
But the
Using
that on the far side.
Whatever this is, like.
Lots of power, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
perhaps.
very, very tiny.
So like that.
No, I wouldn't.
Over the weekend is
I have to point out that I did buy a load of exotic bowl blanks from this their show thing. They're really cheap, so I had to get some. I got some yew, rope, cherry things. So I'm desperate. So I'm very interested to see how well they turn out, unintended. You can also get other attachments for your grinder for sanding, which might even be useful without the cutting bit as well. So that was my time